Page 16.
16.
This one. So here,
Can I have a
color.
sipon?
Color pala to. Color the object.
Sipon!
Oh, here, let's check here. Color the object that matches the given shape. So this is the shapes. Look.
Wait, I'm getting all the red.
No, you need to check first here. Oh. What color is this?
What color you need?
Green.
Oh.
Purple. Triangle.
This one?
Orange. I think there's no orange.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
This one. Oh, look.
Oh.
I think this is light blue. There's no red. Remove the red.
Huh?
Remove this one. There's no red naman. What is this? Blue? Light blue. Compare it here. Make it near. What shape this is this?
Green.
Shape.
Circle. Triangle. Square. Rectangle.
Oh, so here you have the shapes and then you have the objects. In this circle shape, which one is the same object? You need to color it. The color is what color? Go na.
Green.
Oh, color it na.
Which one is green?
In these objects,
Wait.
which one is the same with the circle shape?
This one.
Okay. Put it.
Okay. I'm sorry, I did it.
Done?
Yes.
Oh, next is triangle. What color?
Purple.
Oh, which object is the same as this shape? Triangle shape. That is
No running.
How about this one? What is this one? This is coin.
Mommy, look. Enough.
Done na?
Not yet all.
Next. What shape is this?
Square.
Which objects is the same? Is this the right scale?
Sipon!
What is this ba?
Square.
Square what? Diffuser? Or light? What is this ba? I think that is aircon diffuser. This is.
Like a present.
Okay.
Move, move.
Go na.
It's really present. Oopsie.
It's okay.
I'm done.
Okay. And last one.
Blue
This is
rectangle.
which object? What is that?
A support.
Oh, this envelope.
Oh.
Envelope, this frame, and then this is the same like chessboard.
Chessboard like what we play.
Yeah.
Auto mortis pa?
Done na. Only 2 pages.
Why?
Because the next thing teacher will teach first how to do it. That is different na.
This one?
Yes. That is different na.
Why?
See? There's no anything here. There's no matching. Teacher will explain it in the school, okay? Finish it na first. You're standing up.
Sipon.
Sipon naman. Mhm.
Now my ears gone na. The owl ears.
Mhm. Next time make it lighter because it will mark to the other page. See? It mark the coloring. Where's the color? This one and then this one yung mark ha.
Can we erase it? Can I try again?
Done na.